we're gonna have a war in the chat. Who's losing whose money? Shoot. I really am looking at retest the 620s. I think we retest the 620s, possibly the 575s. So it should be interesting. Should be interesting. But we're kind of holding up here. We're trying.
Okay, after market open, it's okay, but market is extremely quick. Okay, so it can work. We already tested the morning. It made 2K in that drop from the ES.
Died off here.
But the Nasdaq was incredibly quick, so it's not worth, not even wasting your time. Trade the NQ at the open. It's better if you want to trade the open, trade the NQ.
Sometimes
or maybe we'll try with the YM. Okay, so maybe the YM can be a little bit more tradable. So we are waiting the 1 hour after market open. We are maybe 10 minutes
decided that it's done for the day. It's like, okay.
We are waiting to maybe 10 minutes to the open. So let's see what the market can bring here. So we're looking at $500 profit target here. Let's see if we can make it. Okay, we're up 424. We just need one more trade. Okay, imagine if you copy this to 3 or 4 accounts, it would be $1,600. It's a lot of money. Okay, still you can do micros. Okay, so it's not mandatory, guys, that you can trade minis and all that. You know, you trade micros and trade safe. That's how it works. Okay, it did, as you can see here, 566. So, well, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Just trading the S&P futures.